So y'all still doing them short-term rentals out here in Las Vegas thinking you're going to make money during Super Bowl. Well, check out this article. Las Vegas homeowner given $180,000 penalty for unlicensed short-term rental. Look, I keep telling y'all, I'm a fan of short-term rentals, but stop thinking that you can circumvent around these legislations that these cities hold. Look, hotel industry in Las Vegas is a billion-dollar industry. They lobby with Congress. They spend millions and billions of dollars to control the political power in this city. Just like in some of these other cities where they're slowly or quickly banning Airbnb. These hotels have been losing millions of dollars. These HOA companies are making stricter laws and regulations. And every time I see someone come on the internet telling people, hey, let me show you how to do Airbnb behind HOA's back, behind the hotel's back. This is what happened. And unfortunately, this person does not have the fines to pay, which means they're probably going to have to short sell their house because more than likely they probably still have a mortgage on it. Look, y'all better start looking for opportunities for the long term and quit trying to get rich on the short term. Now, again, I'm all for short-term rentals. I actually have one of my own, but I operate within the restrictions of whatever that city allows me to do. Y'all not making no money Super Bowl weekend. The hotels want it all. I'll see y'all in Vegas for Super Bowl. Let's go.